Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid refrigerator condenser motor kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the bag of extra parts, the instructions, the new fan blade, and the new condenser motor. The condenser motor is what circulates the air through the condenser in the compressor area to keep it cool. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's gone bad and the compressor is overheating, which would cause the refrigerator not to cool right. The part is located in the rear of the refrigerator, so we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to remove this access panel to gain access. Now that we have all the screws out, we can set this panel aside. The condenser is located on the right side of the fridge in the back. Now that we have access to it, we can take it out. First, we're going to remove the wire from the motor. We're going to take a long screwdriver and reach in and press the release tab. And then we're going to reach in with our hand and pull it off. Now we're going to remove the screws that hold the condenser motor to the housing. We're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. They're on the back side, so we're going to have to reach in and get them out. Once you have the second screw removed, you can take the screw out and then we can remove the motor. Here's the old condenser motor next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now they did redesign this motor for some of the older versions, and if you had the old big round motor, what you're going to have to do is take this wire harness adapter and plug this end into the motor and this end into your existing wiring harness. Also, we're going to mount the motor with 3 screws. The old one was with 2. So if you have a plastic bracket that held the motor, you're going to use these long screws. And if you had a metal bracket, you're going to use these short screws. The only other thing we have to do is push the fan blade onto the motor shaft. You want to make sure you push it on as far as it can go. When you push the fan blade on, make sure you push it all the way down until it bottoms out so the fan is in the proper position. Now we can put the motor assembly back into the mount. You want to very carefully get it back up in there so we can line it up. And then we can put the screws in. Alright, we're going to do the top one first. So we're going to put it into the hole and then make sure it goes into the motor. And then we're going to use our nut driver to tighten it down. The new third one is in a weird position where we can't get our nut driver on there. So if you have a short nut driver, you can use that. Or we're going to use a small 1/4-inch wrench. Alright, now that we have all the screws in, we can reconnect the motor to the wire harness. All you have to do is push it in so it snaps into place. Now that we have the condenser motor installed, we can reinstall the rear panel and put the screws in to hold it in place. Now that we have the part installed and the panel put back on, we can plug the refrigerator back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.